Students, now moving further, there are two questions they have asked. What would happen if there were no gravity? If there was no gravity, we would not be able to stay on the surface of the earth. Imagine now, earth is like a ball. Now, can you stand on a ball? No, you will fall down. Okay, so we are not falling because the earth's gravitational force is making us stuck on the surface. Okay, second, they have asked what would happen if the value of g was twice as large. That means earth is going to attract us with double force. Then in that case, what will happen? Our weight will also become double of what it is. Suppose we are 50 kgs. Now if the earth's gravitational force doubles, we also become from 50 to 100 kg. So we will have a difficulty in doing all the work. We cannot walk that easily. Okay, you all must have heard that on moon a person cannot walk, we hop because we become light. Why we become light? Because moon's gravitational force is 1/6 of that of earth. Suppose अर्थ का अगर ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स 60 है तो मून का 1/6 ऑफ 60, दैट इज 1/6 into 60, खाली 10 है. दैट इज वाई आवर वेट ऑल्सो reduces. If my weight is say 60 kg, if your weight is on the earth, then on the moon you are going to be only 10 kgs. So you are going to feel very lighter. Now let us see the derivation and how to find out the value of small g. Now small g I have explained you, that is the earth's gravitational acceleration. Now coming back to our Newton's universal law of gravitation, it is given mathematically as F is equal to capital G m small m upon r square, where m is the mass of the earth and small m is the mass of the body. Now we also know that weight of a body is given as mass into g, that is m into g. This also you have studied, so remember this. So now see the equation 3 and 4. F is g mm upon r square, and here we are giving F is mg. Now both are F, LHS is equal, so we will equate the RHS. So when we equate the RHS, it becomes mg is equal to, see on the right hand side it is written, mg is equal to g mm upon r square. Now